On today's video, we're going to change out the batteries on this Dorma KABA RFID lock. Torque 20. On the inside of the door, you remove two T20 screws.
Do the motherboard right there. Just take this thing off.
That's 4 batteries, huh?
Yeah, and then we just pull it from here. And you just gotta...
Just unplug the old pack and install a new pack. Plug it in exactly the same way you removed it. That's what you want to hear?
Yep, that's what you want to hear. That means that it picked up the charge. And then you just put it back.
And then replace the two T20 screws.
See what you blink like that. And when it's off, it'll be one at a time.
There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.